The Worldcoin app does not have a traditional logout button in the main interface, as it is designed around biometric identity, iris scan, and wallet security. Logging out is intentionally limited to protect your orb, verified identity, and World ID. Current options: sign out and remove. Device: open the Worldcoin app. Tap your profile icon, top left or bottom navigation. Go to Settings SUI, Security or Account. Select Remove this device or sign out from this device. Confirm with your passcode, Face ID, or biometric prompt. This removes the device from your World ID and clears local session data. You can re-add the device later by scanning your iris again. Force clear session. Alternative: go to Device Settings Apps, Worldcoin, Storage and Cache, Clear Cache, and Clear Data. This forces the app to treat you as a new user. On next launch, you'll need to re-onboard and verify. Uninstall and reinstall. Uninstall the app completely. Reinstall from App Store or Google Play. You will be prompted to log in again, iris scan, or recovery phrase if wallet was set up.